My name is Mitch Graham. I'm from Harlem, from New York City. I've been up here for a good while. I'm going on like 21 years. It's kind of amazing because when I came up here, I had to slow down, change my life. I had my ups and downfalls. So I came up here and I didn't know nobody. Kind of got bored. So I let me look for a job. Back then, you had to take like 5 different tests and have some good scores to get hired. I took the test and it was really breezy, right? Because I could read, lines, real quick. So I passed all that and then I got hired. But I said, look, I don't know nothing about this. He said, well, your score is good. I said, yeah, because I can read blueprints. There's a lot of reading and, you read and they ask you a question. I said, that's pretty easy, So I said, I didn't know how to use a tool. So they hired me anyhow, and they put me with somebody that could teach me how to use a drill and all that stuff, how to tap. Because I didn't know how to do none of that. I'm from the city. I never touched, tools before. I said, give me like 6 months. If I can't catch it in 6 months, let me walk away. When I started working, by Friday, I wanted to quit because I really didn't know nothing. And it was hard for me to learn how to do all this stuff. So they're like, nah, don't quit. Every Friday, they'll take me out, talk to me. Say, yo, but you're smart, you can read it. You read a lot of these things. So that's all right. So I come back Monday, keep coming back. And then all of a sudden I started catching. Everything started falling in place. By the time my 4th month, I said, I'm good. 2 years right after I started working here, I caught so fast. They like, you want to do field service? And I was good on that, and we had a little emergency in New York City, and they came to me and told me to put a team together. I was in charge of a team. They sent me down there. We got it all done in less time than they thought, and I've been here ever since.